Hello, I'm Rich Lord from Rich Lord Travels, and today a slightly different pace of video as we walk respectfully round Chester Cathedral. Let's go inside and have a look now. Even the Bible says, how awesome is this place? Well, on that recommendation, and you can't get any better, let's go and have a look round. These amazing stained glass windows in the cathedral. Look at the ceilings. This is amazing. Literally, this building is work of art. Outside onto the garden. Great, let's go and have a look round. Stonework. Corridor after corridor around the building. Let's have a look along here first before we go into the main area. Impressive. Down the garden. Wow. It's such a great place. What does this sign say? Looks like they're setting up for some event later on. Look at this massive organ. Wow, there's brilliant tapestry here. There's the nativity scene. Impressive. This is something else. What an amazing building. Look at this raised section here. Could be another organ behind there. The lectern. Oh, this is just, oh, wow. Wow. Lord have mercy, Christ have mercy, Lord have mercy. Wow. Every window is patterned and designed. It's just, oh wow. That is impressive. tombstones and memorials of former bishops, I'm presuming. Yes, Graham, Bishop of Chester, from 1848 to 1865. Wow. So the Chapel of St. Werburgh. Nativity window. The Lady Chapel. And the Russian icons. So it's a smaller chapel in here. Oh, but this building's got so much. So much here. Wow. That's impressive. Look at that ceiling. Wowzers. And this is by the window we looked at earlier on. The amazing window. There's some work going on in the background, setting the stage up. So on here you've got St. Werburgh. Great name. St. Oswald, St. Aidan, Blessed Virgin and Child, St. Joseph, St. Chad, St. Wilfrid, and Queen Ethelfleda. Wow. Wow. Even the cafe is magnificent. Imagine having a cuppa in here. This is your backdrop. Wow. Another view of the garden. And there's a water feature there as well. Very nice. Here we have the magnificent Chester Cathedral as built in Lego. Wow. It's going to take 350,000 individual Lego pieces, and it's going to reach 4 metres in length and 2 metres in height. Look at this. Look at the detail. Wow. That's impressive. Gate down here. And the windows. There's that garden in the middle. Some time's gone into building this. How much work would it take just to design something like this? Wow. Just wow. A helpful gentleman in there told me that it costs £5,500 a day to heat and light Chester Cathedral. Wow. And looking around, it's worth it. But it's such an amazing building. But I do recommend, if you come to Chester, come and have a look around the cathedral, make a donation, help them out, because it really is impressive stuff.